What is up, YouTube? It is Mikey, and today I am going to be playing. Oh my god, I'm sorry, I forgot. Doomspire brick battle. Oh, and so let's play. Oh god, I can't get up. Now this is the worst. I hate this happens. I am gonna be like trying to get them. I'm aiming. My computer is glitching so much. Oh no, this is bad. No. It needs to honestly say no. Whoa. This is strange. Well, dudes, they're all coming for us. Oh no. We need to get them. Shout out to the other guys on my team. Musketeer _1055 and at as the 2223. Oh my gosh, I keep on getting blown up. I know I'm going. Oh my god, lol. Lol. What? My god, we've been eliminated. No, I'm spectating someone. I'm gonna actually just. I blow myself up, honestly. Yellow team has won. Right, it's a new round and let's get to it. Come on, yes. Right, come on, let's go. I'm pretty sure I have a webcam, guys. I think I have a webcam. Guys, tell me in my videos if you want me to use a webcam or not. I don't know. It's your guys if you want me to use webcam or not. Seriously. Honestly. I tried to like make it go, honestly. Whoa, I might actually blow up. Oh, I have blown up very much. No, I'm not dying. I'm not dying. LOL. LOL. Trollala, people. Oh gosh, oh god. No! That was so funny. I was like, no! Honestly. No, you're blowing up our base. Please have mercy. He might be blowing up my... Oh! Honestly, it does not matter. I'm going for blue because they're eliminating. Seriously? Did you guys honestly see that? Dudes, we are being blown up. Do our juicy have attacked us? What? You would, honestly. How? Oh my gosh. I am honestly just going to aim. How is it's probably supporting them, right? I'm glitching so bad. I hate that guy. Sorry guys, but you might notice I'm really glitching. Honestly. Yes, I'm a big guy. My glitching isn't even happening. I'm like GG. What? Oh good, sorry guys, but I haven't done the video. Sorry, so short. Don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button. Comment down below if you want me to do any more of these videos. See you all soon. Bye.